Breaking news. The sun's activity still continues to rise and show us no remorse for slowing down. It's getting to the point where steel from outside of the sheds are starting to become gooey and icky and starting to melt from the outside. And this got to the point where it can even melt an engine to the ground. So we're telling everybody to stay inside, don't leave the house, or for engines, don't leave the sheds. Man, it got hotter out. Man, I can't believe it got hotter outside. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's kind of terrible. It's kind of messed up right there. Very, very messed up. I can see Alfred still asleep. It best not to wake him up. Yeah, FEMA might come back here. Might come back here tonight. If he does, James. If they does, James will be ready. For what? I don't know. Giving them engine. Which area are we giving up? Are we giving up though? It has to be one of us. Or Alfred. Or Alfred. I don't think Alfred wants to leave. Oh no, he doesn't have to. We'll make him. Okay, we'll make him leave. Okay. Yeah, we're yeah, but what are we gonna do though, guys? I want I want to feel like leaving the shed right now, but we can't because the sun activity. Yeah, me too, Thomas. I want to leave. I want to leave as well. We can't stay forever. Wait, we're going to end up leaving tonight. I'm not going anywhere. Shoot, yeah. I'm not going anywhere. If y'all want to leave, that's on y'all. Yeah. Go find a shed that's doorness. All the door sheds are tooken. Are took. You're right. You're so right. Huh, I wonder what Stanley's doing. Stanley? Yeah, I wonder what he's doing. He'll be here. Just wait a minute tonight. I'm taking me a nap. I gotta get ready for tomorrow. Ready for tomorrow. Where are you going tomorrow? None of your business. Yeah, I'm doing something at Thomas. See you guys tonight. Okay, guess we're all sleeping. Oh man, I can't believe the sun is not slowing down. Exactly. What if a visitor comes tonight? If a visitor comes, then there's the peace for all of us. I don't want to die. You're not going to die. Calm down, Rosie. Some of the engines are like who? Like who? Fergus. Yeah, Fergus. Who else? Fergus and Neville. Sorry, an ad plan.
Just got easier with the QuickBooks mobile app. Be prepared for tax time. QuickBooks users have...
Neville can die. He's too smart. Okay, Neville. Not Neville. Who are all the engine names? I forgot. Okay. City of Churro. Nope. Crumford. Nah. Captain Baxter. No. Man, who's not gonna die? I don't know, but we'll figure it out one day. When this is all over. I'm going to sleep. Same here.